Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, well, the little problem that I've got right now is this is the material I've been using to make my pieces out of for the pallet coasters. But as you can tell, they're real small, and I still want to be able to get, I'm trying to figure out how can I get more out of this. Because that right now is, so I can get that locked down. I've got this 3/4 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch. So basically I could get 2 more pieces out of this one piece of wood running it on the table saw. But the problem is my push stick is 1/2 inch wide. So if I go to do that, if I go to try and push it through, it's going to be very, very close to getting tore up. So how do I take care of that where I can still be able to push my wood and everything through? It's like, why not come up with a thinner push stick? So this is another piece of scrap wood that I've gotten from work. And this is like 1/4 inch MDF. Came out of one of the doors. So here's what I'm doing. I'm going to lay that on there. I'm going to take my pencil, try and hold this down. I'm just going to do an outline. Whoops, that moved on me. Try to get lined back up. Doesn't have to be perfect. But as you can tell right there, I don't know how good it's showing up, but I've got an outline. So now I'm going to make sure this is in view. Nope, it's not. Let me move the camera. My normal camera person, well, yeah, I am here. I'll show you what I'm going to do. I'm going to take my scroll saw, I'm going to cut it out. And I've got enough here, and the nice thing about with this is I've got enough of this material. As you can tell, I'm not using the whole thing. I'll be able to make a second one or a third one. So let's get this cut out. Got that piece cut, just back the blade out. Now to go the other way. I'm actually going to make sure I got a little bit of extra room there. got the majority of it. I'll get the rest of it cut out right now. But there you go. Hey, it doesn't have to be perfect, because it's just a push stick for pushing the wood and everything through. This 1/4 inch MDF. It's got a little bit of give, but not that much. And nice thing about it is, like I said, I got more of it sitting right here. You can tell I still got that. I can still make another blank if I need to. So this gets messed up, and this doesn't have to be perfectly cut, okay? The main thing is you just want this little notch in it right here, because that's what's going to be catching on the, you know, your wood and everything. I mean, I need to flatten that out some. That's no big deal. I can do that. But yeah, just a simple little thin push stick. Now I can take these thin pieces right here. I can still run them through the table saw very carefully and still get at least 2 pieces out of it. That way I can be able to make the pieces for the pallet coasters. Anyways, there's just my little take on it. So anyways, hey, leave me a comment. Let me get this turned up a little bit. So anyways, hey, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this. Think that's a good idea? If you like it, that's fine. Like I said, it's not my design on that push stick. It's like whatever you want to make it look like. But like I said, hey, leave me a comment. Tell me what you think. Don't give me that good old thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because I've got 1,000 subscriber giveaways coming up soon. And hit that bell notification. Alright, later guys.